When you need to extend a rooftop vent stack on a new or re-roofing project, reach for a Tubos vent pipe extension. According to code, roofing vent stacks are required to be a minimum of 8 inches above the surface of the finished roof. When insulation is added during re-roofing, the height of the stack is effectively shortened from the required 8 inches. The same thing occurs when installing tapered insulation or adding new lightweight insulating concrete. When this happens, reach for a Tubos pipe extension and extend the stack to a code-compliant height. Installation is quick and easy. Simply insert the Tubos pipe extension into the existing vent stack. Measure and mark the Tubos pipe extension at the correct height, minimally 8 inches above the surface of the roof. Next, cut the Tubos extension with a handsaw or sawzall. Insert the cut Tubos and apply caulk around the flange to keep gas from escaping into the roofing assembly. Flash the vent stack as normal and you are done. The installation process typically takes about 3 minutes to complete. Each Tubos unit can be cut and used for 2 vent stack extensions. An extension can be up to 16 inches long. Tubos can be stacked on top of each other for even higher extensions if needed. With its unique design, Tubos pipe extensions are guaranteed to prevent water from getting into the assembly. Any water that seeps in at the seam goes down the pipe, not into the roof assembly. Tubos pipe extensions are designed to fit standard 2, 3, 4, and 5-inch vent stacks and can be delivered directly to the job site with your other roofing materials. Think a no-hub connector will work just fine? Think again. No-hub takes longer to install, are not guaranteed to be watertight, requires random sizes of PVC pipe for the extension, and often are not an exact fit. May require a larger boot for flashing. Must be purchased at a hardware store, not your roofing distributor. Tubos gives you the fastest and least expensive option. If you're looking to maximize your productivity and get more value for your money, look no further than Tubos pipe extensions for your next project. For more information, visit tubos.biz.